In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bookkeeper or accountant access in HoneyBook. If you've decided that it's time to revoke access from a bookkeeper or accountant you've been working with on HoneyBook, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can ensure that your company's financial information remains secure. So let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, what you'll need to do is open HoneyBook and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, just navigate to the HoneyBook website and enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. Once logged in, the next step involves heading over to your company settings. To find this, simply click on your profile photo, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Company Settings. This area holds crucial administrative functions that you might need from time to time. Inside Company Settings, you'll be looking for either the Team section or a label that reads Users and Roles. This is where you'll find the list of users that have various permissions within your HoneyBook setup. It's essentially the hub for managing who gets access to what within your company's account. Now scan through your list of users and locate the bookkeeper or accountant whose access you plan to revoke. Their names will be clearly listed here along with their roles, making it easy to identify the correct individual. Once you've found the appropriate person, you'll notice 3 small dots or an ellipsis symbol displayed next to their name. Clicking this will give you a few options regarding their account management. What you're going to select here is either remove user or revoke access, depending on how HoneyBook has labeled this particular action in your version. After choosing to remove or revoke access, HoneyBook will usually prompt you with a confirmation message. It's worth taking a moment here to make sure you're removing the correct person and understand the implications, as revoking access will cut off their ability to interact with your account information henceforth. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the removal when prompted. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively removed a bookkeeper or accountant from your HoneyBook account, aligning your team structure with your current business needs. It's important to understand these administrative processes as they ensure that your team and financial data stay up to date and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to confidently manage access within HoneyBook. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to consult HoneyBook's support resources or reach out to their customer service team. Happy managing!